Hello everyone, welcome to the Web Security Academy series, and in this video we will be covering the username enumeration via slightly different response. So this lab is vulnerable to the username enumeration and the password brute force attack, and the account has that predictable username and predictable passwords, and which they have already provided in the list. So let us access this list, candidate username and candidate password. Let us also access this lab. So this is the web page and this is the my account page. Here I can see a username and password field. So let me just try a sample username and try to log in. Okay, here I am getting invalid username or password. So let us see my HTTP history. I have already connected my Burp Suite with this browser, and this is the request that you have sent. And what we need to primarily look at is the response tab, where if there is any changes in the response. So what I will be doing here, I will be checking for the invalid username and password, because this is the response message or error message that is being populated in the web page. So let me copy this text, and at the same time I will send this request to the intruder. So once in intruder, so let me first try to guess the username. So I'll add this username, let the attack type be sniper. So in the payload position, so I'll be adding the payloads that they have already provided to us. Just paste it, and now in the settings tab I need to look for the grep and extract. So select on add, select the text that you want to search for. It's my mistake, so let me copy it from here. So I want to look for the invalid username and password, so I'll just paste it here and click on OK. And now we can start this attack. The attack is finished. Now I'll look for the response length and the warnings as well. Now in the warnings I can see all the warnings are invalid username and password. Let me see if you see the first one, you can see there is a full stop that is missing. So it is slightly giving a different warning message. So there is an indication that this can be our username. So I'll copy this username, Apollo. Now let me try to brute force the password. So I'll go to the payload position and I'll give this username. Now password. Now this time I need to test for the password. I'll add this password, let the attack type be sniper, and in the payload tab I need to change for the password. Let me remove everything and copy the password that they have already provided. Control C, paste it and start the attack. Now this scenario I need to check for a different status code, and for this payload I can see there is a status code of 302, which indicates that the URL that we are requesting, it's in different location. And if you see the response tab, you can see the HTTP location header and you can see the value also. So let us try this username and password that we have extracted. So let me try to use the username and password that we have extracted right now. Yep, we have logged in, and that's all for this lab. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one.